Anisuk January Mangda, wherever you have some Yamki speculations, Miamalade, or the Magi reports in Pinare, Sanga Express the Hide, Manipuda, another popular government, Parliament budget me from Manga, Lakpaya, 100,000. Anoba Sakara Masimakanda, Manipuda, Santi Propong, and Modoribra, Natakana, Oi, Linga Amale with Draka, Oi, Matu Time Maduna. So I said, Quickie formation of new government and its responsibility, Aduga. On the other hand, Quickie Cookie Minister Ahum, Aduga NPP, and Ani Pina, but actually have a key, Sanga Express Key Media report Malaysia. So I did the career from Tamini.
Machine, Quickie, Mamang the Shoe, Hanjana, government formation Gisiko. Had the discussion, the Amadi. TV channel amamda nainagra hauji su sem akoi president rule si thatru he farm daisha masi extend toram daisida he akoi statement me amam he thue amadi BJP ke muk thokani NPP yung thokani atop top keno sing thoga center ga wari sanaru re masi atu da form toragani high statement me am thokre adu ngasi ba masi oi thoktre ko tamo aduna masida waiting aling aji Chief Minister Kya Kanana Oiduino, Hivigi Keno, she late Rivoko. I did Chief Minister leadership Oiduri Kanano, Laupagi, Mogi, government reform to do the Chief Minister Raman with the Kale, don't lead Amato, no leader Rama. Adu Keno, she late na, Heidi Cabineta NPP na Anita Ale Kukina, Kuki, the issue, Moy, Ahumama cannot away. Guide the media the Fulacia. But she leader out na cabinet form to way up on table. Adun masig speculation na talaga mo gi ako'y wakalon siya political kaino singsi ideology singsi masama-masay party gi ako'y public ta 27 election na sale na talaga 27 na tawraba yai gi wakalon singsi da may amama pungpung da pungdoga public gi kaino singsi da tamam na masyadong puole adubo ngasi mauda taway ba kaino tabak thoram singsi da government form tawagi kaino delay tebo ako'y gi kaino gi BJP gisu honorable MLA amchu haigre akoi di khangde form to boy ai to de bi ai da mamang de media se thokre ko sumaina to mathang si magi on wakhallon singda masagi wakhallon sing rum phongdok pa adu natabida akoi gi press conference hoina tawraga akoi gi lairiba collective leadership ama laire akoi collective leadership sini akoi na center da takhallaga government form to do si leadership chi makha da to do ni akoi nifu ma pa natra nifu sida natraga akoi kaino singta nifu mari nifu taruk yankhai chi pulap phaminare akoi aduga masi sina akoi center da takhilaga chi akoi XYZ masi leadership makhada government chi form to gani ba high statement de ama ba wale te ba manga taruk tare nipan tara pullaga macit taruga thokpa nga sanina masida thajapam natraga oiprokani high kaino cha masidi akoi yamna mami samna lei tamo aduna masi kaino singsida political gi my party nga thai haji gra machi oida tikhatni ngai oibgi sai sai da pukhalaga bazar tamam na halaga aduga tawda ba thobak forum sing hujujik laiba manipur gi akoi issue sing sida mian kaino da agenda da pukhatpiraga tawbai mot my political kaino da sat taradi sarkar formation gi kaino do pradamyam na di sarkar popular government thambi hai bisya adu my political agenda da dum chatharga leimata di akoi sarkar form tawrasu nasagi lakadori pamdori pradamya na pamdori ba kaino tudi uthokanda ba mande na samain thamje tamo aduga nasagi akoi any political party amna chongthokpi raga akoi political ideology wangda hana akoi lairiba so called buffer zone oigara so called free moment yadaba natoga so called akoi lairiba akoi Suda nataba natoga suda lairiba terrorist militant singche machiana takai weda agenda am punam tum pukhat minadi pradamyam ne khoi apian bo oigani na sumain thamje ta
yam so hum thambi